All right, y'all see it. We got a sell off here. Time to use some of that money, some of that dry powder you got on the side. Don't load up on anything. Y'all know we got the government shutdown going on. Hey, you got Donald Trump just raised the taxes on China again. So he said he don't see no reason for meeting with the Chinese president, whatever his name is. I don't get that far into politics, but that's what I got on the my little my notification. Say stocks turned sharply lower after Trump threatened a massive increase on China tariffs and said he sees no reason to meet. What is his name? Jinping, whatever his name is. If I messed it up, sorry. But that's the note of breaking news that I got about an hour ago. I got up around about 9. I did a little trading earlier before I recorded this video, but the market was actually green as you able to see by the chart. But as you can see now it drops down. Well, my portfolio down 2,031 bucks. But I was actually up, green today. But anyway, he gonna raise the tariffs on China, and he see no reason to meet with Xi Jinping, whatever his name is. Anyway, man, like I've been telling y'all for the longest, I'm using margin. My money I got on the side, I'm just holding it, paying up bills. Like I said, I'm gonna trade my way out of these bad stocks, all the stocks you want to get rid of in the future. They are cheap now. It's your time to go dollar cost average down into them. Stuff you want to keep for the long term and long haul. It's your time to accumulate and dollar cost average down into them. I don't know how long the market going to be down. Also, this is mine was say a 4 day weekend. Them kids out of school till a day, and it's a holiday. On Monday, got Columbus Day, so a lot of people took off on yesterday. That's when they vacation started. A lot of people don't like leaving their money in the market over the weekend either, especially people that do a lot of like options and stuff. So a lot of them taking profits, and it's also the end of the year. So you got some folks, some people that have made a lot of money. They just selling off in profits and probably gonna sit it out till January and see what happens. We got interest rate cuts. Supposed to get 25 points this month and probably 25 for December. They don't have a meeting for November, so we're gonna see what's gonna happen there. They're already saying that when they cut these interest rates, that inflation gonna go up again. So I don't know, man. It's kind of a give and take thing. Or I don't know, really playing with a losing hand with it. But we're gonna see what's gonna happen. But y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel. Also, I am buying cash flow. I'm buying monthly and weekly paying ETFs, and I'm buying quarterly and monthly paying BDCs and REITs. When the interest rates do get cut, the REIT, the real estate investment trust, the REIT and the BDC, business development company, and also some of the financials are going to benefit from it because it's going to make it easier for people to go, take out loans. Being the interest rates to be cut, it'll be cheaper for people to take out loans and and loan money. So anyway, man, let's get ready to trade. I do have a list, but like I said, everything down. You could just throw a dot at anything. Throwing 20 dots and everything you going wherever it land at, them 20 stocks it land at, all of them going to be down today. So except for this one, because this one here I wanted to catch. Ticker WMT Walmart. This one is actually up for the day with all this nonsense going on. You'll think tariffs up that Walmart gonna have to raise prices, so it'll be selling off, but it's not. So when this go back to 97 bucks, if it ever do, I'm throwing $1,000 at it, and I'm gonna just leave it there. All right, let's go. HRZN had a buy order in my Charles Schwab portfolio for 50 shares. I bought at $5.98. Right now, what I do right now with Horizon in this portfolio here, being that I do have 1,271 shares. I already got my 1,000 shares, which is my goal. I make over. I got a payment coming up for $136.64 for the month. So I just put $3 a day in it, dollar cost average. At the end of the week, I charted out for the week, and I put about order in for 5 shares at the weekly low. Just to average my little, average down my, to lower my average cost. I'm sorry. We got fiat, Coinbase coming down, so fiat should be going up. Like I said, it's going up. Coinbase coming down. Going in today at 236. I say I never load up on anything. I just dollar cost average on in. When Coinbase start going back up, this gonna come right back down. It's the inverse. So comparing this with Coney or Coinbase, you're gonna make money both ways. MSTY MicroStrategy down below the $13 mark. I did buy some of this here today. It's actually got down to 12.90. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a buy limit order in my other portfolio where I buy full shares. ULTY came down to 530 range. It's probably done recovered. Yep, back at 542. I remember I brought some at 543 and 535 today. Today's low is 535. I got 2,888 shares now. Building my position there. I want to get 5,000 shares. OXLC, got to buy this in another portfolio. Oxford Lane Capital pay 40 cents a share a month. This one here getting beat up too. I buy 5 shares of that a week at the end of the week at the weekly low. Not gonna buy it every day at no sometime, because it's gonna go back to 17 bucks. PSEC 267 a day. Pay 4.5 cents a share a month. Give me a good 5 shares of that. Lower my average calls. I'm at 391 now. USOY definitely got beat up. All the oil stocks just getting whooped. It's at 724. Another one I just buy a little $2 here, $3 here, that kind of deal. I don't load up on it. It's losing a lot of his NAV, so I'm just reinvesting the dividends. I want to get, hold on, PMT, Penny Mac. I did get some of this at 11.79 or 11.59 today. What it is? Today's low is 11.70. So I'm gonna definitely get some of that. I can do 11.72. Time for me to lower my average cost. It's gonna definitely go back above the $12 mark. It's easy money here on this one. Why did I buy that? Let me give y'all this one. I know y'all haven't seen me probably buy this in a while. 13.06% dividend yield. 52-week low made a new one day at 11.70. So I'm going in at it. 52-week high 14.92. That was PMT, right? Go with SoFi. No, this the bank. Online bank. I started a position in this one. I'm gonna see if this gonna pull on back. The day is down. I'm just add $1 because it's not below my average cost. When it does pull back a lot under it, I'm going not load up, but definitely with that one. While I'm thinking about it, Bull, give y'all 3 new ones I just added on. Bull down. This Weeble. The reason they are down, they did a share but they did a stock offering, but they said they did it too early. Should have let the stock run and get high first and then do it so it can come down. Anytime you do a stock offering, you're going to dilute the shares. So that being, this came on down. So that average cost $13.10. So this the time to buy Bull. You got Hood, Robin Hood, pulling on back today. Like I said, every time it pull on back, that's when I'm buying it. I don't buy no full shares, little fractional shares. All right. USOI made a new 52-week low, doing options on crude oil. I just want to get my 100 shares. I'm at 54.6. Give me another $20. I got $20 worth earlier today. ORC, USOI also pays out monthly. Got about a 22% dividend yield. ORC, I got some at $7.10 today. I didn't buy a lot. I just brought like $3 worth. I wanted to hit that 705 and lower, so I can load up. Hopefully, go back down to the 690 mark. I'm gonna get me about 500 something shares and sell it again around about 723. Make a couple dollars, lower my average cost. As you can see right here, I got a payment for $203.02. It's paid 12 cents a share a month. Got 1,691 shares. As far as then on that record date, but now I got 1,149 shares because I sold 545 shares at $723. Did a quick swing trade. FSK, I did get $5 of this earlier today. So y'all go get some of that one. Y'all like them monthly payouts. Got Dow. I did go get some of this one today. It's at 21.24. I'm gonna get another $5 while I'm online with y'all. We're on video. I'm at 27.77 now. IWMY options on the Russell 2000. I had some buy orders in at 22.53, and I think I brought like 10 shares of this today added on. This pays out weekly. Got an 80% dividend yield and less volatile. Right now I just buy this at 20, 23 and under. When it goes above that, I don't touch it. So I'm gonna get another 10 while I'm online here with y'all. Lower that average cost. Build that my position up. Got a payment today coming out for $6.53. Gonna pay 23 cents a share for this week. Sometimes it pay up to like 36 cents a share. But overall, got a 80% dividend yield. Like I say, you got to have your buy-in, your buying target price. I only touch it 23 and under. It's above that, I don't even bother with it. All right, YMAX, I brought 5 shares of this. I had a buy limit order that got triggered for $12.53. Got a payment coming today for a little over 14.5 cents a share for the week. 233 shares, we're gonna call it. All right, that being said, it's at 12.64, 12.51. That's why I like it at when I buy them shares. Don't know whether this gonna fall some more, but when it's below here, that's how I buy them. I got buy limit orders all the way down to 12 bucks. And I'm gonna go get $3 worth. All right, got DEA. I think it went and got like $10 of this earlier today. This one also down. I'm gonna go get another 5 while I'm online with y'all. All right, we got Hood. We did Webull, WU, Western Union. I bought like 50 shares. I only buy this at $8 and under. Got down to $7.93 today. 52-week high, 1202. I'm selling this at $8.50 and over. I put some buy limit or okay, I got $7.90 for 100 shares. Yeah, see, I'm trying to lower my average. Well, hit a quick, nice swing trade on this one. Also, that dividend yield 11.65%. PE ratio 3.04. This is truly undervalued. Like I say, all these shares I'm getting, I'm a swing trade. It make me 50 cents a share. But while I'm here, I keep all my fractional shares and I swing trade the full ones. So let that happen. Wendy's also coming down. 868. It's definitely a stock I do not trust. They say it's undervalued though. PE ratio, let's check this out. 9.21, which it is under 12. So like the food industry, this sector in general, I'm getting out of it. I'm so tired of it. I'm either getting rid of Pepsi and Coca-Cola. Like I ain't even dealing with it, man. CHMI swing trade when this go back above the $3 mark. 236. I also get that juicy quarterly dividend. Extended. Got RPT. Another one that's gonna go above the $3 mark, the 290-ish. 9.72% dividend yield. Go back in at 242. To lower my average cost in this, the average cost is $357. SLRC. Another one pays 10 cents a share a month. Dividend yield is 11.5%. See, pays out monthly. TSM pulled back today. Taiwan Semi started position in this one also in another portfolio. My cash out, I'm gonna go get some of that. SWK, Stanley Black & Decker. If you're not in this one, stay out of it. I will be getting rid of this one, but this is a buy and hold stock. I think they're dividend king. 4.72% yield. 52-week highs, $109.91. I doubt if you're gonna see that again. Just being honest. A lot of these companies not the companies that they were way back in the day. I did get some old Capital One credit card company I do like. I was trying to decide whether I wanted to go. Let me see, SPYD. I'm gonna tell you in a minute. I started positioning this one too. This is the Spider Portfolio S&P 500 Dividend ETF. S&P 500, you're going to think it's going to have the holdings of NVIDIA like everybody else do, but it got CVS, Abby, First Energy, Invesco, Eversource, APA Corp, Best Buy. When I just sold Arkmill and Daniels, I sold, but them nice dividend plays. Got Evergy and Altria. Dividend yield 4.7%. 52-week high, 47.52 at a low of 37.92. So it's less volatile. I started a position in that one. SRLN, Blackstone senior loan thing. I did get some of this today. Dividend yield should be around 8%, being that it's lower. Devon Energy, buy limit order went off for this one. Say 33.26, 52-week high 43.30, low 25.89, 7.6 PE ratio, 2.74% dividend yield. XLU. Is the energy ETF. Just started a position in this one. I also brought some of this today, 2.58% yield. Got the holdings right here. Next Era, Southern Company, Vistra, Sempra. Got Constellation. I'm sorry, I said cost. Constellation Energy, Duke Energy, American Electric, Dominion. I got that one in a single stock also, and Exelon. 2.58% yield, 52-week low 71.02 with a high 91.37. Y'all know these ETFs don't do nothing but go up. General Mills. Also one I'm a dump. Went and got some more of that today to lower my average cost. All this sell is, everybody's starting to get a little bit health conscious these days, getting rid of that processed foods and all these products they sell with high sugar like cereals and Pop-Tarts, all stuff that's not healthy. So that's another one I'm going to dump. And we can go check out Trap. We can go look at Metafast, man, real quick. Because I got to buy this low and sell it high. The lower my average cost, I'm at $23.30. Excuse me, I buy this at 14 and under and sell it at 14 and over. I just buy 5 here, 3 here, whatever there. And keep rinsing and repeating. Like I said, everything down, man. So I mean, you could really take your pick on stuff you want to buy. And like I say, just the time to lower down your average cost on stuff, especially stuff you want to dump. 1085 for New Tech. Another one I'm gonna get rid of, 6.79%. P ratio of 5, 52-week high, 1549. Market cap 286 million. We'll get $50 worth at 285, 1082, whatever this is. Need to lower my average cost. I'm pretty much, man, where my head at, pretty much everything with Florida and California. I want to say Florida because of the hurricanes. Those not going to stop. That's going to be the death of Florida, and the wildfire is going to be for California. So anything dealing out there with them, even the real estate down in Florida, I think I'm gonna get rid of those REITs. But like I say, man, these storms not gonna get no better. They're gonna get bigger and stronger. So I don't want to be caught up in that, man. Especially not in the real estate. They come tearing up everything, raising insurance prices, causing your escrow and everything to go up. Legging and Platt, another one, I'm going to start selling over the $9 mark. Right now, accumulating at these prices. Had to rinse and repeat with this one, too. Once I get it down, I'm going to dump it. So if you're not in that one, stay out of it. They ain't crap foods up. I thought this would have crashed. Anyway, 25.10 still a good old buy. I like this at 26 and under. All right. This OPI, still holding at that. Still can't buy any. Let's see whether this going to go up. LFT, Lumen Finance. Trading at 177, taking advantage of this dip and pull back two. This gonna go back above the $2 mark. Right now, I got a dividend yield of 14.44, 14.44%. I'm sorry. Comcast, another one I'm gonna dump later on. Got the average on down right about 9. TCPC getting his butt whooped too. MFIC is another one. Nice one to have for a dividend play. Quarterly dividend. But this in my portfolio. If I was y'all, stay out of it. Got pets. This gonna be a swing trade. If anybody, it's gonna be risky now. 244. It's gonna go back once this one squeezed. I'm getting out of it. I should say, man, I'm gonna tell y'all, if you want a swings trade, get in with me on the other things that pay a dividend. This one doesn't, so stay out of that one. All right, we're at 896 again. I sold Gladstone Land at $9.44. I brought everything. I brought full shares at $8.90 and under, and I brought fractional shares at $9 and under. Does pay out monthly. This is a REIT. Like I said, I keep all my fractional shares, but I swing trade the full ones. You got like a 6% dividend yield. PFLT paid 10.2 cents a share a month. It's a nice one to have for some cash flow. Only thing you got to worry about is the double-digit REITs and BDCs is a dividend cut. CHCT, I did get some of this earlier. I'm going to get some more while I'm online with y'all. Community Healthcare REIT. Brandywine down. Like I said, I'm a real estate guy, man, so I've been buying all the real estate hard. Like I say, this sector getting whooped, man. But it still push out dividends. Some just had dividend cuts. That's the only thing. Got RPT, Telus, BGS Foods. Not worrying about that. Intel, we good. CSWC, Chatham Southwest. Definitely getting some of this. It's another one I'm going to dump. Why am I buying this one? Um, 11.65% dividend yield. P ratio 12.5. This gonna come down some more. So not loading up. I'm just dollar cost averaging down into it. LYB. Lionel Basel coming down too. Why I say don't load up on nothing. Just lower your average cost. Get $30 of that today. This at a steal. You go get some of this in my Cash App portfolio too. One of them I'm gonna sell, the other one I'm gonna keep. AFCG. And we got to get RC. I'm going at 347. Nice dividend yield on this one also. All right, I sold this one last time. It got down with 370, 385. I sold it at 544. IVR. Nice time to get some of this too at these prices. I definitely load up. It's around about $7 bucks. I'd have got 100 shares. I did get some NLY. I hope this go back around by the $18 mark so I can load up. I'm at $26.99. Need to come down to that one. Got USOI. Put a buy on the GSBD. Made a new 52-week low today at 9:38. I went in and put a buy order in for 5 shares. I need to up that. 25 shares. 25. It's a nice quarterly dividend. It's Goldman Sachs BDC. Right now with a dividend yield of 14.78%. You got 2 harbors. I like this at 10 and under. Long video today, man, but you see the market, so it is what it is. Coney coming down. Buy Coney at 7 and under. Check out AMZY. 1422. I'm at 1605. Get a little share and a half of that pay out monthly. 52-week low is 1384. Matter of fact, get another $20 worth. I'm gonna bring the average cost down to what it is right now as much as I can. 1517, that'll work. I was at 1605. Coney, I'm going in at $7 and under. Well, $6.75 and under. Forgot I lowered my average cost on this one. XOMO, get some of that along with DISO. Just doing options on Exxon. Pays out monthly also about a 30% dividend yield. These I'm gonna let go because I'm gonna just focus more on YMAX. I like DISO options on Disney at 13 and under. ARR, not buying that. MITT can come down in this one. Nice monthly quarterly dividend paying REIT. AMDY, all the gain it had, taking some of it back away. Too high for me. Got FSK, TSLY high. ULTY, we been there earlier today. Back down to 538. $3 more. Definitely buy at these prices. I want to get 5,000 shares. Probably gonna go back in today and buy some more at these prices. MSTY, we did that earlier. It's got to come down some more. Probably gonna come back below the $13 mark. But while I'm here, just take advantage for what it is for now. Like I said, I keep all my fractional shares, swing trade, the full ones to keep my average cost low. I noticed that's the only thing that really works when it comes to your total return dealing with yield max ETFs. Why bid? I only buy it 10 and under. Pays out monthly, got a 60-80% dividend yield. NVDY options on NVIDIA. 1608, I'm at 1709. Did get IWMY earlier today. Going back for some more with this, taking advantage while it's under this $23 mark. Also pays out weekly, like I said earlier. Done did win these GOOY like at 13 and under. SCHD, go pick up some more of this. Buy and hold ETF. Got this on $1 a day recurring. PYPY like at 11 and under. Nope, not there yet. Good thing I can cash up on that one. That DEA CNOB, that's that bank one, right? This one I'm gonna keep. Just gonna let that run up and get out of that one. Let's get to its high. Charge point, not messing with that. CHPY, see how we looking. 55, 51. I'm at 52, so not bothering that. QQQI, 53, 79. I'm at 52, 37. I'm going to get something, just a little bit of that. I don't think that's gonna come down too much. A lot of people buying that stock. Got Bull Hood and SoFi. Go back at Weeble or Hood. Oh, it came down some more. Oh, hell yeah. This one here gonna go up. It's a hot stock here. Bull. I go in and grab some more of this. It's gonna be a long-term play. If Bull get at the prices of Hood, it's gonna take a long time. They got a lot of stuff they got to do. Their platform not as good as Robinhood. All right, 2689, 2690 SoFi. I can do something with that. All right, sorry for the long trade. That's it. Enjoy y'all weekend. Stay safe. Signing off. Go get your money.